Today, I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G18 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When Prime Day arrives, most shoppers look for minor discounts on standard-sized laptops. However, if you are looking to truly upgrade your desk setup with an absolute behemoth of a machine that bridges the gap between portability and elite desktop performance, the brand new ASUS ROG Strix G18 demands your full attention. This particular model stands out in the market by offering an expansive 18-inch display paired with some of the most advanced silicon available today. Over the last few days of testing this colossal machine across demanding modern titles, heavy multitasking workflows, and intensive rendering tasks, I have put it through its paces to see if it justifies pulling the trigger on it during the busy Prime Day shopping window. The first thing that absolutely commands your attention when you unbox this machine is the magnificent 18-inch ROG Nebula Display. Moving up to an 18-inch form factor completely changes how you interact with a laptop. With a 2.5K WQXGA resolution and a modern 16:10 aspect ratio, you get a massive amount of physical screen real estate. For productivity and content creation, this means you can comfortably snap multiple windows side by side without scaling issues. For gaming, the immersion is unparalleled. The panel boasts a blazing fast 240Hz refresh rate and a lightning-fast 3-millisecond response time, which completely eliminates motion blur and ghosting in fast-paced competitive shooters. With 500 nits of peak brightness and incredible color accuracy, visuals look exceptionally vibrant and punchy, giving you a clear competitive advantage in dark environments where enemies like to hide. Powering this massive visual experience is an equally impressive array of internal hardware. At the heart of the Strix G18 is the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor, featuring 24 cores and 24 threads capable of boosting up to 5.4 GHz. This processor is an absolute titan. Whether you are extracting huge datasets, compiling large codebases, or running heavy streaming software while playing a game, the system never breaks a sweat. ASUS has paired this flagship processor with 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 memory running at 5600 MHz, which ensures that you will never run into a RAM bottleneck, no matter how many background tasks you leave open. For storage, the system includes a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe solid-state drive, providing near-instant boot times and incredibly fast game loading screens. Graphics are handled by the new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU, equipped with 8 GB of fast GDDR7 memory. By utilizing the latest graphics architecture, this card handles real-time ray tracing and high frame rate gaming with ease. Even in demanding modern titles at the native resolution, the frame rate stays smooth and consistent. When you combine this graphical horsepower with the advanced ROG Intelligent Cooling technology, the laptop manages to run at its full potential without thermal throttling. The thermal design keeps the chassis cool to the touch and manages airflow efficiently, meaning you can endure marathon gaming sessions without annoying fan noise interrupting your concentration. Beyond pure performance, the Strix G18 is packed with next-generation connectivity features that make it incredibly future-proof. It comes equipped with Wi-Fi 7, which ensures the lowest possible wireless latency and fastest network speeds if you have a compatible router. The port selection is tournament-ready, featuring a full-speed Thunderbolt 4 port with DisplayPort and power delivery support, an HDMI 2.1 port, and a dedicated RJ45 network port. For daily usability and security, ASUS included a crisp 1080p full high-definition infrared camera that supports Windows Hello, allowing for secure, password-free facial login. The laptop runs on Windows 11 Pro out of the box, giving you access to advanced security features like BitLocker encryption. The experience is rounded out by a highly customizable 4-zone RGB backlit keyboard that offers deep travel and satisfying tactile feedback, and a massive 90-watt-hour battery that can charge from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. If you want a massive, future-proof gaming machine this Prime Day, the ROG Strix G18 is an exceptional choice.